So in this video we have a bit of a problem. A has coordinates 9, 6, and we know the midpoint of A and B is -7, -12, but we don't know the coordinates of B, and that's what we need to find. So I suggest we draw a little diagram so we can visualize what's going on. So A has coordinates 9, 6, so I'm not going to bother drawing a grid because I can easily make it too big if I'm not careful. So let's just put a point on, 9, 6. So that's A. Now the midpoint of A and B is at -7, -12. Now all I need to know for my diagram is that that is to the left and down. Because -7, -12, we're at 9, 6 here, so -7 is definitely to the left, and -12 is definitely below 6. So somewhere here would be perfectly fine. That is my midpoint. So, essentially, if that's like 28 centimetres, so it's about there-ish, something like that, just so we can visualise it. So the point I'm interested in is here. This is the point B. Okay? So, if you think about travelling from one point to the next, we know that we go along the corridor down the stairs, if we think about it that way. So you could do it like that if you wanted to. Let's do it like that. That would probably make more sense to us as we thinking about it that way. Okay? So thinking of it like a stepping down. Now because that's the midpoint, we know that we're going to step along the same amount and then down the same amount. So these lengths here are the same, these lengths here are the same. So to go from 9 down to -7, well, 9 plus 7 is 16. So I know that that is a distance of 16. And to go from 6 down to -12, that would be 6 plus 12, so that's 18. So I'm travelling 18 down. So I'm going back along the corridor 16 and then down the stairs 18 again. So if I was at -7, so this is B. So if I was at -7 and I've gone 16 along the corridor in that way, then -7 take away 16 is -23. And if I was at -12 and I've dropped 18 units down, then -12 take away 18 gets me down to -30. So the coordinates of B would have to be -23, -30.